Hello students, welcome to Shore of Source classes. So in this lecture I'd like to solve some question on computer science. Okay, so let's get started with the question. So here this is the question of Boolean function. So we have to simplify a Boolean function that is given here, xy plus xy dash algebraically, and here we have four options. So now we can write it like xy plus xy dash equals to x. We can take x in common and write y plus y dash, right? So here in the next step we can also write this x, and this y plus y dash is 1, so it will be then x. So x will be our answer here. So option A was 1, that is incorrect. Option B was x, so our answer is also x. So this will be our answer for this question. So now let's move to the next question in this lecture. So here this is the question again about the Boolean function. So this is the function that we have given here. We have to simplify it algebraically. Okay. So now this is our equation, that is x plus y whole into x plus y dash. So in the next step we can also write it as x square plus xy dash plus xy plus yy dash. And again from this step we can also write it as x plus y into y dash. So from here this will be only x. So our answer will be option B again, that is x. Okay, so now let's move to the third question here. So again this question is about the Boolean function, that is xz plus xy z dash, and we have to simplify this function algebraically. So here also we have four options. So let's solve this or simplify this equation. So from here we can write in the next step x whole into z plus yz dash, right? So from here we can also write it as x whole into z plus y into z plus y dash. Okay, so from this step we are taking just the x as common and having this z plus yz dash. But in the next step what we are doing, we are just separating as these two groups. So we are separating it as z plus y whole into z plus y dash. So from here also we can write x whole into y plus z, and this is our answer. So here option A is x, option B is y, option C is x plus y, x whole into y plus z. So basically this is our correct answer for this question. So thank you for watching this video.